Are you in your 20s and wondering how to build wealth but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step blueprint to create financial security, grow your income, and set yourself up for long-term wealth. Whether you're fresh out of school, working your first job, or running a side hustle, these principles will change your life. Let's get started. Section 1. Mindset Shift. Think long-term. Wealth building starts with your mindset. Too many young people fall into the live for today trap, thinking wealth is for older people. But here's the truth: the earlier you start, the easier it gets. You have a powerful advantage: time. Compound interest, investment growth, and skills development all work in your favor when you start early. Instead of thinking short-term, adopt a wealth mindset and begin planning your financial future now. Section 2. Mastering your income. The foundation of wealth is earning more money. Here's how you can maximize your income potential in your 20s. 1. Increase your skill. Take courses, learn high-income skills like coding, sales, digital marketing, or investing. 2. Find a high-paying job. Don't settle for just any job. Research industries that pay well and align with your strengths. 3. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, or tutoring can generate extra cash. 4. Negotiate your salary. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Most employers expect negotiations. Section 3. Saving smartly and living below your means. Now that you're earning money, the next step is keeping more of it. Here's a simple method: 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, rent, bills, food. 30% for lifestyle, entertainment, travel, dining out. 20% for savings and investments. This ensures you live well but still build wealth. The biggest mistake people make? Lifestyle inflation, spending more as they earn more. Instead, keep expenses low and focus on growing your assets. Section 4. Building an emergency fund. Before investing, you need a financial safety net. An emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This protects you from job loss, medical bills, or unexpected costs. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, so it's accessible but still earning interest. Section 5. Investing, the game changer. Now, let's talk about the fastest way to build wealth: investing. There are many ways to invest, but here are the best options for young people. 1. Stock market. Start with index funds like the S&P 500. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or M1 Finance make investing easy. 2. Real estate. You don't need to buy a house. You can start with REITs, real estate investment trusts, or house hacking. 3. Retirement accounts. Open a Roth IRA or contribute to your employer's 401k if they offer a match. This is free money. 4. Crypto and alternative investments. While riskier, small investments in crypto or startups can be profitable. Section 6. Multiple streams of income. The wealthy don't rely on one income source. Here's how to build multiple streams. 1. Investments, stocks, real estate, and businesses. 2. Side hustles, freelancing, YouTube, print on demand, or affiliate marketing. 3. Passive income, royalties from books, dividends from stocks, or selling digital products. Creating multiple income streams gives you financial freedom faster and protects you if one source dries up. Section 7. Avoiding debt traps. Debt can kill your wealth building journey if not managed properly. Here's how to stay debt-free. Avoid unnecessary credit card debt. Only charge what you can pay in full each month. If you have student loans, pay them strategically. Focus on high-interest loans first. Use debt wisely. Loans for assets, real estate, business growth can be good, but consumer debt is bad. Section 8. Networking and learning from mentors. Wealth is not just about money, it's about who you know. Build a strong network by connecting with mentors and successful people in your field. Joining financial communities on social media or networking events. Reading books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad Poor Dad. Learning from others saves you from costly mistakes. Conclusion. Action plan. Let's recap the step-by-step plan to build wealth in your 20s. 1. Develop a long-term wealth mindset. 2. Increase your income through high-paying skills and side hustles. 3. Save smartly and avoid lifestyle inflation. 4. Build an emergency fund to protect yourself. 5. Invest early in stocks, real estate, and retirement accounts. 6. Create multiple streams of income. 7. Avoid bad debt and use credit wisely. 8. Surround yourself with the right people and keep learning. Start today, and by the time you're 30, you'll be financially ahead of 99% of your peers. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and comment below. What's your biggest financial goal right now?